Okay, now this is Ariston 4-gallon POS over here, point of service. I will open it up for a yearly maintenance, hopefully clean up the tank and replace anode route if needed. So let's open it up, and you need a flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and 10mm wrench. Flathead is for prying up, and Phillips for unscrewing, screwing, and the 10mm to remove the 4 hex head screws. Okay. hole here. This is for housing for this. This is anode rod. This M4 stud coming out for mounting. So you unscrew. This is not a stock anode rod. Stock anode rod is like this, much smaller. You can get the anode rod of the regular water heater like this. This is for ream water heater. It's 9/10 of an inch compared to stock, which is 6/10 of an inch diameter, but 6 inches long. You can chop. This is 42 inch long. You can chop it to 7 pieces to make one. 7 pieces, the same price. This is for $12 stock water heater. The stock anode about $12. This big 9/10 of an inch rod, 42 inch anode rod is 12 inches. $12 too. Excuse me. So you have to remove it. All you need to do is cut it to 7, 8 pieces. 3 and tap or M4 stud like this. You can get it by half inch, which is about 12 millimeter M4 stud for about $2 from eBay. A 3 and tap, just install M4 stud, half inch, quarter inch for this anode rod, another quarter inch for mounting here. So this is actually, I cleaned up a little bit. This is good condition. You can clean them up, and then you can reinstall like this. You can save money by buying this regular water heater anode. This is 42 inch long for $12. You can get 7 pieces. I got 7 pieces. This one can last at least for 2 years. Stock anode rod can last no more than 1 year. We can save more than $100 by modifying and cutting this, installing this stud, M4 stud. It's expensive, $12 something a piece. This one breaks down to that, $2 a piece. This 42 inch long is $11 divided by 7, about 50. Yeah, about 50, and lasts for 2 years at least. Compared to 1 year. This is after 1 year. This is after 1 year. You see the difference in size. You can save more than $100 by doing this, then installing this thing. Just putting back the way you remove like this. Oh, by the way, the opening here is not that big, only a 2 inch diameter. See, about 2 inch diameter, so the diameter is not that big. So what you can do is get a rod like this, put a rag here, stick it in, clean it up, like this, and rinse it out. There's one way you can clean them up. It's inside the tank. There's a lot of debris there, a whole bunch. Once you cleaned it, washed it, and you put it back,